Ve.
How you doing? You look cute.
Are you showing me right now?
Mm-hmm. You look cute.
Hi guys.
But yeah, we about to hit Durham. I intend those room. I'm in my Nentle's room. Mathando susiphathele.
Fuck.
Thando is gorgeous, right? Right. I tell her all the time. Guys, I convinced my hand to stop wearing makeup. Shout out to me. She doesn't need it. And she uses it. And I don't know why she uses it, because she doesn't need it.
What the fuck? Baby, some places
You don't use an asthma pump when you don't have asthma. You don't need lotion. You don't need makeup, so why do you use it? Nah, bro. That thing, we taking care of that thing every morning now.
Yeah, but it's been 2 fucking days. I need something to overnight. I need to as we do it.
So Linda Pell. So Linda.
How?
How? Shut up.
Yo.
Nang bam.
Now.
Are you bald? I'm not bald, guys. Guys, I'm one nigga that does not prioritize haircuts. Like, I don't go for my... You know how every nigga goes for their regular haircut every weekend? Yeah, I don't go for my haircut. So my hair is just musty, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's just not musty. It's
Yo. Guys, yo. What the fuck? Do I actually look like this?
Yes. You're gorgeous as shit. You're breathtaking.
No, like... Hi guys. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Y'all good? How's your Sunday and shit?
Sunday. How's it Thursday?
Y'all went to church or some shit?
Nah.
Obvious.
Was that one tip? Excuse me. Excuse.
Baby.
Hey boo. Lobutu.
Kwenzakalani nge-Uber?
Check her logo.
Guys, don't mind me looking so crusty right now. Like, I'm just...
Mathando susiphathele.
It's in.
3 minutes. This is your request. Ngicela abaziyo bachazele abangazi.
Sondele.
Hlezi ngithukuthele.
How?
Hey. Ziwa bazi asi.
Ooh, child.
Hello, babe.
Makangithi uyangicala ngithi. Wena wangaphuze sakho.
Hey, Stony samsiqede kudala mina.
Manje waphuze yami.
Ngoba sakhona. Guys.
Ha. Ebona usiqedile. so 800.
Bengu 500.
Ufunani?
Ngicela ifoni.
Ukuzi?
Ngicela ifoni.
Ukuzi?
Ngifuna ukucheck i-Uber.
6 minutes.
All right. Uhlekani? Tell us about yourselves. I'm a black man from South Africa. Ngumzulu.
Ngifuna ku-90.
Eyami ku-93.
Sando is hiding something. Guys, no, I'm not. I'm just watching the live because I cannot see from like there and shit. Yo,
Sis man.
choose me.
Hey. Sometimes ngicabanga ukuthi ngijola nomjida yazi.
How?
Ha. Oh. Le live ya 20,000 bafethu siyayi-end. So tshelana abantu bavaye. Yathinta nje 1,000 ya-end. Ngiyanitshela nazi. Nicabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala. Le live ya 20,000 yayi-end. Bheka niyakhuphuka. Ayilima nini. Niyakhuphuka. Yo. Bye guys. Bye. Niben right ne mamelani. Okay hayi. Yathi 1-1. Yathi 1 wine child. Ngiyanjela. Yathi 1.1 child.
Baby, that's ridiculous. What the fuck?
Bazuyahlanya wena. Yathi 1-1 bafethi child. Phela mele siphume so sinama suitcase la. Zasinda lezi zinto. Bayingathi nje 1-1 mina hayi.
Baby, do we need a carry-on bag?
For the groceries.
How? Ibheke ngakanani ngawo?
Ningafiki ku-1-1 bafetha yabonani. Wayendlala nethi kiss man. Ngifuna kiss bani. Asicabuzani. Yo, hayi nafika. Bafethu nibe safe.
Ima.
So nibona mase sifika ngale kuyoba mnandi, kuyoba nice. Ngiyanthanda, sinthanda sobabili. Yeah. Baba yini bantu baka Jesu.
1.5, yeah, babe, 1.5. That's 1.5.
I-Uber if
85 minutes. $86. Lo mjita uyeza noma msunu ne-stop. Like, why you accept girl if you drop off like I'm Jehovah. Ish. Guys, we're going to Durban. How? Hi. Shimosi singaqhubeka musi.
inking. Yini lento yenze? Bazothi le smoke sivelaphi.
Guys, type in lapho fake smoke. Do we have to do it or them?
They have to. Can everyone type fake smoke? Babe, what's that thing that they have to write in the live so that
F1.
Can everyone type F1? F1. The letter F and the number 1. F1. Ayi yaboni na ngithanda kabi. Already niphezu kwapho. Ngeke sitshelwe iTikTok batshele ngeke sitshelwe iTikTok msulu wabo. TikTok if nibukele emsulweni anginisabi mdidweni.
How?
Batshele F1. Fuck you one batshele. Fuck you one. Siyabatshela sibasabe baka TikTok. Asibasaba baka TikTok. Ungabasabi thaba asibasabi. Asibasaba baka TikTok. Fuck you one. Ziyasha. Yeah. Mina ngazi.
Azilomjisu lo senza sivelete. Yabona wena ngama wait and save up.
Hayi mina ngihlala ngithi wait and save ntwana me am a budget. How?
Big Bird.
Cabo ngabafisi ukhwamuza ibhasi la siyakhona.
Baby 36 minutes.
Hayi Sophie. Yo, Sophie. Hayi soyitshela inyathele liyawana. Asizibona ngathi shaya isikhathi sothi anyathele so edit. Ngomfakela itip 15%.
Awu. Bazowancinjana.
Hayi bu. Hawu.
For amatikiti.
Okay, giftani ke.
Guys, gift for us to go to Dubai.
Giftan.
Go fund us.
3, 2, 1. Angena ama
Go
gift.
fund us. We'd like to go to Dubai.
Shorty okuhle siyabo. Giftan bafethu ningasaba bafethu. I-gift is 50 cent. Mali ngigive i-rose.
I-rose malini?
Angazi, I think i-1 cent.
I-rose boma 5 cent. South African rands.
Wando, kamala kalveli kunama emoji amaningi siyabonga. Uhlekani baby.
Anisigcwalisele guys ngizokuthumela iGalaxy. Or nonke ni broke.
Bafethu aningisendeleni lion. Abantu bahlala bangitshela ngelion. Angazi ukuthi lion.
Lion iyadura baby.
Malini lion?
Eyo.
Bafethu, if you guys send me a lion now, I'll literally vlog my lobola negotiations
Baby, a
next
lion
week.
is 34,000 coins. When you buy the coins, 17,500 coins are 5.6.
5.6 a lion. Sendan.
17,500. The lion is 34. So 17,500 coins are 5.6. You have to double.
Guys,
that
please
shit.
carry on with F1. Labantu bathi consuming substance. Angazi ukuthi substance ifanta kuyo baba substance. Siphuza ifanta TikTok umsunweni. Hey. Ilama China lawo.
How?
I-TikTok yama China. Ngoba ba
Sizawenza ngani?
ifanta yikho kanti lapha eJapan. Baba khenzela liyo out ishaba isikhathi.
Yes.
Ngena lapha kuleya app yami le. Ibizwa.
Hi, babe. 82 rand. Hayi, siyamela babe.
Hayi siyamela. Hayi mele simela.
Hayi, siyamela.
Hayi mele simela.
Thatha isikhathi sakho. Asingithi hey. Baby ngeke ngabuzi Uber driver. Ngeke ngatshela Uber driver icede uku-accept ukuthi please hurry up. Yazi ngibuzeni yena.
Ubuze. Uyahlanya.
Ngavele ngamiyeka.
Ama Uber driver mela understand, ne? Ngitshela uFather Patrick mina. Once ngiku requesta uaccept, yimi umlungu wakho, yimi uboss wakho. So le ngishoyo mele uyenze ngoba usebenzela mina kuleso sikhathi. Message from driver, I'm on my way. People drive uthi is on his way.
Ngibonile.
Oh, ama-views ayehla niyasiqhomela. Oh, hayi.
It's because of the warning. I need to some are underage and shit, so like they get kicked out automatically by TikTok.
Get ready to meet your driver, Sam. Guys,
Magagafiki, get ready to meet your driver kanjani?
Mawuthi kanjani usho kanjani?
Bheka ukuphi?
Ula.
Ula.
Oh. Mara siyavaya man.
So maras vaye ne sizokhipha lama bag nani.
Yeah, guys.
Way.
Mad love to you guys.
Bye guys, love all of you guys. See you guys when we get to the other side.
Abangakaboni uthando udrop YouTube video na. I wanna drop. Yeah, bye bye. Shantan, bye bye. Yeah.